Alright, so I'm going to tell you today about the 3-in-1 translator by TRANSAI. Translation, music, and calls in one, on-screen translation display, premium built-in earbuds, advanced AI translation model 4.0. And so I used to live internationally, and so this would have helped out great. But it's expert level translation, phone call translation. So yeah, that's everything there. Here is the actual device itself, and so there's an open and a close, and they give you the charging cord to put that there. And so when you open it up, now that shows this, and the when it's open, the earbuds are ready to go. And so I am wearing the earbuds, and I put them in here, and so ready to go to translate. You set, and this is everything you get. You get more cushions. You get the little put this on a keychain. You get lots of instruction booklets and support and how you can do things. And you download the app. And so once the app is downloaded and all set up, and you connect it to Bluetooth, I have an Android. So now you can connect it to listening. And so press continue, and now it's going to listening. And so we're into the app. And so I'm going to play something. Oh, it's listening for French. So yeah, I'm going to put it by speaker, and I'm going to play this in French, and let's see if it translates.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Stéphane. Je viens d'Amérique et je voudrais vous parler de ce produit. Maintenant, vous pouvez me comprendre.
Okay, so as you can hear, I played it on the computer with Google Translate, because I'm not that great with French. And then it showed, I heard in my earbuds in English. Now you can understand me. And hello, my name is Steven. I come from America. I'd like to talk to you about this product. Wow, that is amazing. Game changer for people that travel internationally. This is a great thing to have. Like you would not believe. Because it was really tough while I was in where I was internationally in Morocco. I couldn't understand anybody, and so it was hard to understand what people were saying. And so this would have helped out a ton. I wish I got this when I was in Morocco. It would have helped from going to the grocery and doing errands. Let's do one more language. Arabic was the one in Morocco that and so I'm gonna play this in Arabic, and it's gonna translate it, and I'm gonna hear the translation here in English in my earbuds. So let's play this.
مرحبا، اسمي ستيفن وأنا من أمريكا، وأود أن أحدثكم عن هذا المنتج. الآن يمكنكم فهمي.
Okay, so on this, I'm gonna change it to Arabic, and so let's see, change it to Arabic. Then we go face to face, go to listening, we go to continue, and we're gonna play the Arabic.
مرحبا، اسمي ستيفن وأنا من أمريكا، وأود أن أحدثكم عن هذا المنتج. الآن يمكنكم فهمي.
Yep. And so everything in English just played in my earphones when I heard what was being said in Arabic with the app. So this is just a total game changer. This is going to be awesome because now I can understand languages other than English, at least a little bit. And this will help you to speak if you're traveling internationally. So, yep, TRANSAI, thank you for sending me this to make this video to show how it works and how great it will be to have when you travel internationally, especially for asking for directions and all that things. So, thanks for sending me this to make this video.